In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Notifications after scrolling down. Then select App Notifications at the top and click on All. Now select the best option for you by clicking on it. In my case, Most Frequent. Finally, to block notifications from any of those apps, click on blue switcher next to the chosen one. You can unblock them the same way. You can also click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!